Hello everybody, Jason Veenstra here with the Veenstra Real Estate Team, brokered by eXp Realty. And the last couple of years, we've seen a lot of changes in the real estate market. Last year, we saw mortgage interest rates do a huge jump. They went from below 3% to nearing 7% at one point. We also saw the rapid price appreciation that we had experienced for a couple of years actually start to taper off and start to flatline a little bit. Well, because of those things, some experts were predicting that home prices were going to crash. And that's simply not what we have experienced or seen. We have seen home prices remain fairly steady. Lawrence Yun, the chief economist for the National Association of Realtors, says this: home prices will be steady in most parts of the country with a minor change in the national median home price. Now, home sellers might think that because of these things, they would have to actually start to lower their prices to attract some of the buyers in the market. But we have another factor that is now at play, and that is extremely low inventory. Lawrence Yun actually says this: we simply don't have enough inventory. Will some markets see a price decline? Yes. But with the supply not being there, the repeat of a 30% price decline is highly unlikely. So as you can see from this graph, here in our local market, we've seen a fairly steady decline in inventory since 2011, and right now we are at near record lows. This decline in inventory continues to put an upward pressure on home prices. Bankrate says it like this: this ongoing lack of inventory explains why many buyers still have little choice but to bid up prices. And it also indicates that the supply and demand equation simply won't allow a price crash in the near future. And honestly, right now, sellers are not in any hurry to sell their homes. We have a lot of equity in our homes, or a lot of homeowners do, because of the rapid price appreciation that we saw over the last couple of years. So we're not going to see all of the foreclosures and short sales that we saw in the early to mid 2000s. And sellers aren't real motivated to sell their homes right now because most likely they either purchased their home at a very low interest rate, or they were able to refinance at a very low interest rate over the last couple of years. And if they were to purchase a new home, they would be purchasing at a much higher interest rate. So what does this actually mean for you? Well, if you are looking to buy or to sell in this current market, give me a call. I'd love to have a conversation with you about the current market, what we're seeing inventory and prices and mortgage interest rates doing, and how that's going to affect you and your family, and figure out what a good plan is moving forward. You can reach me at 269-350-5514, or you can email me at sold@veenstrateam.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.